Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're switching gears from hardware to software, specifically how we build it. We're diving deep into the world of software project management to expose some of those persistent myths that just won't die. Whether you're a seasoned project manager, a developer knee-deep in code, or just someone who's curious about the magic behind your favorite apps, this video is for you. We'll break down the complexities, the misconceptions, and give you a clearer picture of what really goes on behind the scenes. So grab your coffee, get comfortable, and let's unravel these software project management myths together. Let's kick things off with a classic, the myth of the perfectly executed software project. Everything goes exactly according to plan. Deadlines are met with smiles, and no one ever pulls an all-nighter? Yeah, that's about as real as a unicorn riding a dragon through Silicon Valley. In reality, software projects are more like navigating a jungle. Scope creep, technical debt, and bugs are always lurking. Unexpected challenges and changes are built into the process. User needs evolve, market trends shift, and simple features become complex. Flexibility and adaptability are your survival kit. The only guarantee in software development is surprises. Let's talk about manpower, or the illusion of it. There's a belief that if a project is behind, just add more people. More developers, more testers, problem solved, right? Not so fast. Brooks' law states adding more people to a late project makes it later. New people need onboarding, taking time from those already working. More people can lead to more complexity and communication breakdowns. Sometimes, the best way to speed up is to optimize workflow and communication. Chapter 3. Myth 3. Once the software is built, the project is complete. Sure, you might have reached a significant milestone, but in the world of software, it's less of a finish line and more of a pit stop. Software isn't static. It's a living, breathing thing that needs constant care and attention. The reality is, the moment software is released into the wild, the real work begins. Users will encounter bugs, request new features, and the technological landscape will continue to evolve. Maintenance, updates, security patches, these aren't just afterthoughts, they're essential components of a successful software project's lifecycle. Listening to your users, understanding their pain points, and constantly iterating based on their input. That's how you build software that people actually love to use. Embrace the iterative nature of software development, stay agile, and remember, a truly successful project is less about reaching a destination and more about enjoying the ride. Chapter 4. Myth 4. Detailed planning guarantees project success. Now, don't get me wrong, planning is crucial, but there's a sweet spot. A balance between having a roadmap and becoming so married to it that you can't adapt when the terrain changes. The problem with excessively detailed upfront planning is that it often creates a false sense of security. It's like trying to predict the weather months in advance. Sure, you can make some educated guesses, but there's always a chance a storm will roll in unexpectedly. This is where iterative and agile approaches come in. Instead of trying to plan for every possible scenario up front, you embrace flexibility, break the project down into smaller, more manageable chunks, and adapt your plan as you go. The most successful projects are often the ones that are willing to deviate from the plan and embrace the unknown. Chapter 5. Myth 5. All software projects need to use the latest technology. Sure, we all love a good tech upgrade, but in the world of software development, using the latest and greatest isn't always the smartest move. It's tempting, I get it. You see a cool new framework, a language that promises to be the next big thing, and you can't help but want to tinker with it. But here's the thing. Technology should be a tool that serves your project's goals, not the other way around. Blindly chasing trends can lead to unnecessary complexity, compatibility issues, and a steep learning curve for your team. Sometimes the most effective solution is the one that's reliable, well understood, and perfectly suited to the task at hand, even if it's not the newest kid on the block. The key is to choose technology strategically, based on factors like project requirements, team expertise, long-term maintainability, and budget constraints. That wraps up our deep dive into the world of software project management myths. Hopefully we've busted some misconceptions and given you a more realistic view of what goes on behind the scenes. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more content on software project management, tech insights, and everything in between. And hey, let's keep the conversation going. What are some software project management myths you've encountered? Drop a comment below and let's unravel them together. Until next time, keep those projects on track, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.